Welcome to this ODX Viewer product introduction. The RA Consulting ODX Viewer is an easy-to-use software that allows the user to open ODX and PDX files and to view the diagnostic content in an easy-to-understand and structured way. The focus hereby lies on reducing the complexity of ODX files for the user. It is intended for all professionals who need to see the content of ODX files without the requirement neither to understand basic ODX structures nor to create or change the ODX files. The ODX Viewer is therefore not an ODX authoring tool, but instead an ODX data explorer with export capabilities. The user interface of the ODX Viewer was designed focusing on usability aspects. It is therefore very clearly structured and intuitive to handle. The upper part of the window contains all relevant functions and access to the software settings. On the left-hand side of the window, expandable sidebars will appear based on the loaded file type and content, allowing the user to directly move through the content of any ODX and PDX file. The main part of the user interface contains the ODX file content. It will change based on the selected semantical attributes in order to display the content in an easy-to-understand and structured way. The upper part of this area hereby contains all items of the selected attribute, while the lower part will display detailed information about the individually selected item. When loading a new dataset into the ODX Viewer, both ODX relevant file formats of ODX and PDX containers are supported. After importing a PDX file, two sidebars will appear. The dark one on the outer left side allows to switch directly between different ODX files within the PDX container. The brighter one on the inner left side contains the content of the selected ODX file, grouped according to the semantical attributes used within the loaded ODX file. By clicking on the different elements within one semantical group, it is now possible to see all the information related to the individual value or service. The upper part contains all the information of the selected semantical group in rows and columns, while the lower part provides all the information of the individually selected item. For a range of different elements within one item, further detailed information can be accessed by clicking on the respective cell. This allows the user to see, for example, contents of conversions like text tables or formulas, as well as the byte and bit position of data within selected messages. This way, the ODX Viewer separates the data from the original ODX file and allows users to only focus on the content of the ODX without the need to know about or look at the underlying ODX file structure. For ODX experts who are interested in an in-depth view, the ODX Viewer provides the possibility to access the underlying structure as well. In each ODX file, the software offers to explore the raw data directly, providing access to the ODX structure. In order to work efficiently with ODX files, the ODX Viewer offers a range of search and export functions. The first function is an extensive search engine that allows to search for any type of value or information within the whole file. The number next to each semantic attribute indicates how many items meeting the search criteria were selected within that group. A second search engine searches only within the current selection, allowing to further narrow down the search results. With the configurator, it is possible to store frequently used searches and views for fast reuse. In order to extract information from the ODX file, the ODX Viewer offers the possibility to export data from the ODX file into various formats. The export configurator allows to select the different semantic groups of the currently active ODX file that are to be exported. Possible target formats are CSV files, XML files, and PDF files. This way, the user can easily extract data from the ODX file without the need to know about the ODX file structure. The basic version of the ODX Viewer supports all current versions of ODX files. Additionally, it offers the possibility to import manufacturer-specific configurations to adjust for individual OEM-specific formats and structures. In general, the RA Consulting ODX Viewer is an OEM-independent ODX explorer for easy access to the ODX file content. It is tailored to the needs of all professionals required to work with ODX files, but who do not have the need to create ODX files themselves. If you would like to learn more about the use of this software tool, you can look at our frequent product trainings held at our headquarters in Bruchsal, Germany, or contact us for an on-site customized product training. Trainings are held worldwide and are available in German, English, and Chinese. For further information, please visit our website at www.rac.de or contact us directly.